Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vijay Excel Education. Today we are going to discuss about logical functions in Excel. So these are the logical functions in Excel. If you see here, these are the logical functions in Excel. Today we will discuss these three: if, and, or. So this is the if function. This is the syntax. If logical test, if true, value if true, value if false. The if function allows you to perform different actions based on a specified condition. So, if the condition is satisfied, we'll get the resultant true. If the condition is not met, it returns false. So, here I've taken one example if. So, now we are moving to the example if condition. So, here if you see here the condition not met. That's why it's showing no. Here the condition is met. That's why it's showing yes. B14, I am searching for water. The water found in the B14, 15, 16. That's why the condition is met. That's why we are getting yes. Here not found. That's why here the condition is not met. I'll show you another example here itself. So here the condition is not met. So I have given the logical test here more than 500. If it's the condition satisfied, it will show more than 500. Here satisfied. So here also it's satisfied. So that's why it's showing more than 500. If the condition is satisfied, we'll get the resultant exactly. If the condition is not satisfied, we'll get the else part. This is less than 500. So this is if function. Now we are moving to and. So this is the and function. The syntax is and logical 1 and logical 2. It will take more than one condition. Will take the more than one condition. Logical 1, logical 2, logical 3, and so on. So here and function checks for all condition. If the all condition is true, then it returns true. else it returns false. I'll show you here. This is the example for and. In B8 means here grass. So here I am checking for and fire I am checking, and here in the speed I am checking more than 70. So that's why first condition not satisfied, second, third, fourth also not satisfied. If you see here fire 80. So two conditions met. So that's why we are getting true. Here also met. So that's why true we are getting. So remaining conditions is not satisfied. That's why false. The condition is not met. This is the and in Excel. Now we are moving to logical OR. Logical OR also take the more than one condition. Logical 1, logical 2, logical 3 and so on. Either one condition is satisfied, it will return a true, else returns false. Now we are moving to the example OR. You see here the condition is not met, that's why it's showing as false. Here the condition is met. We are checking for water and more than 60 defenses. So here one condition is satisfied, one condition is not satisfied. So it returns true. So like that, the OR function will work in Excel. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.